Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and white pawn is moving forward in this direction and black pawn is moving downward in this direction, and the black pawn is going to be a queen on the next move. So guys, as every day, go ahead, pause the video and try to find the move on your own, and then we would solve the solution together. So best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So the problem is this pawn, right? And we have a dark color bishop which doesn't control the square of promotion, and we can't actually reach the pawn, right? The pawn is going to be a queen and we are going to lose the game. I mean, this is going to be a draw, but we don't want a draw. And if we try to move the knight like this doesn't work as well. We can't stop the pawn with any of our pieces, right? With these pieces, they are simply too the knight is too far and the bishop is the wrong color bishop, which cannot stop the pawn. However, we are still winning, and the thing I should mention in this puzzle is we can actually win the game by just losing our pieces, right? If we lose both of our pieces, we can still win this game thanks to this pawn moving in this direction. So we can get rid of this pawn for these two pieces. We can trade that. We can make that trade and still end up winning the game. So what is the first move? So these are the mediocre moves, or some people may try to push the pawn, try to promote it on the next moves, but this doesn't work because black would get a queen and black is now attacking the knight, and this is not going to make us the winner because black would start capturing our pieces and we wouldn't win this game. However, there is only a single way, a single move, and that move is bishop to h6. So now the king is forced to move to one of these squares. So if the king moves to b1, which is a bad move for black, we play knight to c3, and look at this. The king and the knight are just forcing the king and the bishop are forcing the enemy king to move to the corner, and on the next move all we have to do is just checkmate the black king, right? So this is checkmate. So black can't move this direction, otherwise black is going to be checkmated. So black has to move this way. Next we are going to play knight to c3, and the idea is going to be clear. The first idea is we are forcing the king to move to e1, and the second idea is to move the knight to e4, where the knight is now in the center, ideally placed to stop this pawn, right? So this idea comes into life after this explanation, so I am going to explain that to you in a second. So now black can make these three moves and can promote the pawn. I will show you what we would play for each of them. Let's start with the promotion. That looks obvious. Black would promote and black will try to get at least a draw from this game. but unfortunately we are going to play bishop to d2 check, and it doesn't matter where the king moves. On the next move we are going to fork the king and the queen, right? So if the king moves here or here, it doesn't matter. We are going to play knight to g3 and fork the king and the queen, and of course win the game. So that is what we are going to do if black promotes. But what if black avoided the check first, and black can still promote here on the next move? Well, in this position we can actually play this move, bishop to f4 and attack the pawn. Now black can't attack the bishop because we simply captured this. Like I said, we can still win the game, still losing the pieces because we do have a pawn, so we don't worry about the pieces. So that is the idea. And now in this position black can promote, but there is a fork and black can't actually do much here. Black may try to protect the pawn, but we are going to capture the pawn and win the game. So this is the solution. So for a recap purpose, first we are going to play bishop to h6, and then when the king moves this direction we are going to play knight to c3, and now the king is forced to e1, and then we place the knight on e4, which ideally placed to fork the king and the queen on the next move, right? So when black promotes, we give a check and we fork the king and the queen, and all we have to do is push our pawn and make a queen and win the game. So this is the solution. Thank you for watching up to this point. I will see you in the next video. Bye.